In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Surveymonkey emails and newsletters in just about 5 minutes. If you found yourself overwhelmed by the number of emails you're receiving or simply need to declutter your inbox, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and make your email experience a bit more manageable. First up, we'll need to get into your Surveymonkey account. To do this, head over to the Surveymonkey homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button, click on it. Since Surveymonkey allows you to log in using your Google account, you can choose this convenient option if it's linked to your Surveymonkey account. Simply click on Google and select your account from the list provided. This should get you right into your Surveymonkey dashboard without any hassle. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. What we're looking for next can be found under Projects. This is where Surveymonkey organizes all your ongoing and completed surveys. However, for unsubscribing purposes, this section is just a pit stop on our journey to the account settings. From here, navigating to My account is your next step. The My Account section is crucial because it houses all your personal and account settings. This is where you can manage your account details, including email preferences, which is exactly what we're after today. Once you're in My Account, the next thing you want to do is look for the section labelled Emails and Newsletters. This is where Surveymonkey consolidates all options related to communication preferences. It's designed to give you control over how often you hear from them. Within the Emails and Newsletters section, you'll find various options for subscription preferences. Look for the option that says Unsubscribed. Yes, it might seem a bit counterintuitive if you're looking to unsubscribe, but what this button does is lead you to manage your email subscription preferences. Clicking on Unsubscribed will finally bring you to where you can bid farewell to those emails. It might ask for confirmation or provide you with a list of email types you might still want to receive. It's all about giving you the final say in what lands in your inbox. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily manage your email preferences and unsubscribe from Surveymonkey emails and newsletters. It's a quick process, and it's all about putting you back in control of your inbox. Remember, staying organized and managing your digital subscriptions is key to keeping a tidy and stress-free email experience. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or explore more of our tutorials for more tips and tricks. Happy organizing!